What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel here, Stinky Hickory BBQ. Hey, if this is your first time, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You're going to like what we're doing here. Guess what, guys? Doing another one for you today. Yeah, we're going to do some smoked chicken wings out on the Weber kettle. You better get ready. Let's do it. Welcome back to the channel here. Again, I mentioned we was doing some smoked chicken wings on the Weber kettle. I got here a nice pack of chicken wings from my local HEB right here. Go ahead and get these open. Get them onto our cutting board. So I got these chicken wings out the pack onto the cutting board. Take a paper towel. Go ahead and get those patted nice and dry. And that dryness is going to help that skin get real crispy. So you want these nice and dry before you put them on the grill. Then we're going to hit them with some of this oil and that rub, and that's going to allow it to stick. And that's going to give us some even crispier skin. We're going to be cooking at around 300 to 325 for these chickens. We want to cook them pretty high, or else you get a pretty rubbery skin. So anything under that, it's not going to be pretty tasty or pretty pleasing at all. So you want to go with a high temperature when you're cooking chickens. Let's go ahead and get these chickens in our bowl. You come over here and get in on this. We're going to put these chickens in the bowl like so. Today for a choice of rub, I'm going to use this Honey Hogs Hot right here by Meat Church Barbecue. Good stuff right here. You got to give it a try. Got some avocado oil here. I'm using avocado oil because it has a hot smoke point, and that's going to help crisp up that skin even more. And then I'm just going to mix it in, and that's going to help that rub adhere to it, guys. So get this open right here. Notice I got my dirty hand and my clean hand. Let's go ahead and go ahead with this Meat Church rub. Put that on right there. Give it a good little mixing in, just like that. It's a real simple recipe, folks, that you can follow at home. This is your basic smoked chicken wing recipe. Yeah, it's got some honey flavors in that thing, a little sweetness, got some heat on it. I think we can go on with a little bit more of that. Do me a favor, handyman, shake some more of that good shit up in there. Let's go. Oh, that's enough. Oh, that's gonna be good. The accidents always come out the best. Look at that. Look, give it a smell. You can't smell it. I can, but it smells great. You're gonna like this. All right, so now we got that all mixed in like that. Every piece, make sure every piece is nice and touched up with the rub. Oh yeah, looking good. Just like that. That's what we want. All right, so we gotta go get this kettle fired up. Like I said, 300 to 325 degrees, guys. And then we're gonna get these chickens rolling. All right, guys, we got that kettle rolling. Look at it right there. What's that? Almost 350, a little bit under. Yeah, there we go. So we got it rolling. So let's go ahead and get this lid off. Got a piece of hickory wood chunk right here. I'm gonna put that in there for some good smoke flavor while these bad boys cook. All right, so close that up. And while that's starting to catch and smoke up, looking real nice, smelling good, let's go ahead and get these wings right here offset, opposite the fire. We're gonna put the meats, the fat meat side down right there to protect that part right there. So we're gonna do all that to all these chickens, give it a little space in between. Just like that. It's the beautiful thing about barbecue. It doesn't really matter if it's summer or whatever. It's always a good time to barbecue and grill. Am I wrong or am I right? Just like that, folks. Got them on that Weber kettle. Smoke starting to kick out, just like we wanted. Let's go ahead and get the lid on and let's let this cook. This should take about maybe 45 minutes to an hour. I'll keep time, and you know, guys, I'll let you know. So let's get this lid on in the meantime. Let's let this cook roll. All right, guys, stay with me. Go ahead and hit that like button. The thumb that look just like this, hit it, smash it. Let's go. So after 43 minutes exactly, here we are. These wings are looking great. Got some nice color on them. Went ahead and melted some butter here. Got some granulated garlic. Just pour that in there. About that much of that. Give it a quick little swirl. Mix up. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these chickens over. Get some color on the other side so we can get some good even cooking. And these are looking fantastic. Looking good. Oh man. But they're not quite done yet. So we're gonna go ahead and take our little mop sauce that we made with the butter and the garlic. Go ahead and start patting that on each one of these. And that's what that's gonna do, is create some nice, good moisture, keep them nice and juicy, keep that color. It's also gonna add some flavors with the garlic that we put on there as well. We'll get this lid closed and let this cook for about 10-15 more minutes and we'll be back. Here we are 10 minutes later at these wings. That one got a little charring on it. Well, it ain't too bad. Actually, that's good. I decided I want to use some of this barbecue sauce. I want to sauce half of these. Let's go on with, let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 wings. So in about almost half of these, I'm gonna go with some of this sauce. Just put it on there. Looking all good. Just like that. Got my dog drooling. Look at her. Look at her. She ready. She thinks she's getting a treat. And that last one right there. I think I got a little more than half of that, but that's all right. They look good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got it right on the money. Let's go, baby. Cover that up. Let that sauce tack on. We'll be ready for the taste test. Sun's going down here in Houston, Texas. Beautiful sunset. Feels nice out here tonight. Look at that beautifulness. Catch that again? Get a little. Yeah, catch God's creation. Yeah, look at it. Would you look at it?
That actually is nice.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, we're here at the taste test. Final and last step of the video of this recipe. I got my sauce wings here, looking so good. Got some nice, I'll be here with you in a minute. Then I got unsauced right here, just plain old rub and grill. There we go. So I want to get into each one of these, guys. I know y'all ready for it. So let's just go ahead and get on with it. I'm losing daylight out here in this beautiful city of Houston, Texas. So let's get on with this, all right? So I'm gonna take this one here, because it's been saying, eat me, daddy. Whoa. Okay, inappropriate. Okay, kids, steer clear. Cook these to about a temperature of 200, a little lower. So let's go ahead and get into it. Into it. I love it when it's smoky. Oh yeah. You taste that smoky wood flavor on that. That honey in the rub is perfect. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, you are good. You passed. It passed the taste test. Let's go ahead and get into one of these naked ones over here. I'm talking about the wings. All right, so let's go ahead and get that. I ain't really a flat man, but I love me some drums. So let's go ahead and bite into this. And the dry rub is just as good. I don't know which one I like more, but if I had to choose one, I'd say I'd go with that dry rub. This is my smoked chicken recipe. You gotta give that honey hog, what was it called? Honey hog hot by Meat Church. Give it a try. Put it on your chicken. Put it on anything. I guarantee you, put it on some pork. It's gonna be amazing. Guys, you gotta try that out. This is my smoked chicken wing recipe done on the Weber kettle. You can do it. It's simple, it's easy, it's fast. Just like that. We went work out and we came back and we said, you know what, we want some grilled chicken wings and we're gonna do it with some sides. Mama's got sides in there, some vegetables and everything, some rice, some good carbs. That quick. Came together in less than, and just about at an hour. So we ready to eat. We're gonna go and get out of here, but I want to thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, let you know we're doing something great over here, guys, and turn on that bell for those notifications so you know when we uploading more. Guys, I'm DQ. I'm with Sticky Hickory BBQ, and I forgot my damn napkin, but you guessed it. I'm out. Peace.